Soil pollution is a serious environmental issue that affects the health of ecosystems and human populations. Physico-chemical and biological properties of soil are crucial for understanding how soil functions and supports life. Texture refers to the relative proportion of sand, silt, and clay particles. It determines soil's ability to retain water and nutrients. Structure is the arrangement of soil particles into aggregates. It affects water infiltration, root penetration, and aeration. Inorganic components. Minerals derived from parent rock material. This includes nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and trace elements. Organic components. Organic matter from decomposed plant and animal residues. This includes humus, which improves soil fertility, structure, and moisture retention. Analysis of soil quality. Sampling. Collecting soil samples from different depths and locations to get a representative analysis. Physical properties. Texture. Determined by particle size analysis using both sieve and sedimentation methods. Structure assessed by observing soil aggregates. Bulk density. This is a measure of soil compaction. Porosity, calculated from bulk density and particle density. Chemical properties, pH. Measured using pH meters or soil test kits. Electrical conductivity, or EC, indicates salinity levels. Nutrient content, analyzed using spectrophotometry, atomic absorption, or colorimetry. Organic matter, determined by loss on ignition or chemical oxidation methods. Biological properties. Microbial biomass is measured by fumigation extraction or substrate-induced respiration. Enzyme activities serve as indicators of soil biological activity and health. Soil pollution control. Prevention. Regulations involve enforcing laws to control the discharge of pollutants. Best practices include implementing sustainable agricultural practices to minimize chemical use. Remediation techniques. Let's talk about those. First up, phytoremediation. This involves using plants to extract, degrade, or immobilize contaminants. Then there's bioremediation, which uses microorganisms to break down organic pollutants. Another technique is soil washing, where contaminants are physically separated from soil particles. Finally, we have stabilization, solidification, adding materials to immobilize contaminants. Industrial effluents and their interactions with soil components. This is a crucial topic to understand. Heavy metals, these can be quite problematic. They bind to soil particles and can be potentially toxic to plants and microorganisms. Depending on the soil pH and organic matter content, heavy metals can either be immobilized or leached. Organic pollutants include solvents, oils, and pesticides. These substances can be degraded by soil microorganisms, but they may also accumulate and persist in the environment. Salts increase soil salinity, which can affect plant growth and soil structure. High salinity can disrupt the nutrient uptake by plants, making it difficult for them to thrive. Acidic or alkaline effluents can alter the soil pH, which in turn affects nutrient availability and microbial activity. This can have significant impacts on soil health and plant growth. Soil microorganisms and their functions. Decomposition. Microorganisms break down organic matter, releasing nutrients for plant use. This process involves bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes, and protozoa. Nitrogen fixation. Certain bacteria like Rhizobium convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants can use. Bioremediation is an amazing natural process where microorganisms degrade organic pollutants, including pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. These processes include mineralization, which is the complete breakdown of contaminants, and cometabolism, which is the partial degradation. Soil health is crucial for our environment, and microorganisms play a significant role in this. They contribute to soil structure, fertility, and overall health by producing organic acids and enzymes. These tiny organisms are vital for maintaining the balance and productivity of our soils. Degradation of pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. 1. Pesticides, degraded by microbial action through enzymatic processes. Factors influencing degradation include the chemical structure, soil pH, temperature, moisture, and the microbial population. 2. Synthetic fertilizers. Excessive use can lead to nutrient imbalances and pollution. Microorganisms can transform and recycle nutrients, enhancing soil fertility and reducing pollution. Understanding and managing soil pollution is critical for maintaining soil health, ensuring sustainable agriculture, and protecting environmental quality. Implementing effective soil pollution control measures and leveraging the natural functions of soil microorganisms can mitigate the adverse effects of industrial and agricultural activities on soil ecosystems.